Welcome everyone to our Like, isn't that why? So we don't have that because we used to be.
Like different ways.
There's a camera part. You want to move right there?
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of the mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas you've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please proceed down the hallway towards your maintenance service.
I'm behind you. I'm behind you. Here I am. Here I am. Stand in that little room.
Please make sure that when we sit down, we are pulling our seatbelt from the left and buckling it to the right. That is left to right only. Make sure there's nothing underneath that seatbelt besides these little printies on the other side.
For your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children.
Row 4, middle left. Alright, my back row. Please pull the yellow tab on your right side.
Oh.
I would have to unlock everybody's seatbelts.
No, don't worry about it.
And then just pull your yellow tab for me. Yeah. And over here, pull the yellow tab on your right. And over here, pull the yellow tab on your right. Just don't see her. Good. And over here, pull the yellow tab on your right. And over here, pull the yellow tab. Good. Alright, everyone, please put both hands up. Good. Alright, come down now.
Ain't got nothing.
You're with the passengers on a motion common elevator about to ascend into the very known episode, the Twilight Zone.
Oh, it's a pretty hotel.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, is the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the other door.
We could double that.
My mom just got on the Tower of Terror, but I'm glad she got on it because I was terrified to go on it. And she said she liked it. And so, see you on your next adventure. Well, kind of short day, sorry about that. But see you on the next adventure. Goodbye.